Does your PS5 crash constantly while playing? It might not be hardware. It is likely just corrupted game files. Here is the permanent fix. Go to Settings, then Storage, Console Storage, and finally Games and Apps. Select the crashing game and delete it completely. Do not just uninstall, delete it fully. Restart your PS5, then download the game again. Crucial step: do not use rest mode during the download. Let it finish while the console is on. This clears the deep corruption and fixes the crash. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real fixes. Next important cause is system software bugs. Even if your system says it is updated, sometimes the update installation is incomplete or broken. This creates instability during gameplay. To fix this properly, rebuild the system database. This does not delete your data. It only refreshes system files. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Do not use rest mode. Now press and hold the power button. Release it after you hear the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable. Select Rebuild Database. Wait patiently. This process may take several minutes. After completion, restart the console and test your games. Now let us talk about overheating. This is a very serious but ignored issue. If your PlayStation 5 gets too hot, the system automatically crashes to protect hardware components. This usually happens during heavy games or long play sessions. Check your console placement. Never keep it inside a closed cabinet. Do not place it near walls. Ensure proper airflow from both sides. Clean dust from the vents using a soft brush or compressed air. Do not open the console unless you know what you are doing. Also, avoid playing in very hot rooms. If possible, use a fan or air conditioner. Overheating-related crashes often disappear once airflow improves. Next cause is unstable power supply. Many users ignore this completely. If your power source fluctuates, the console may crash randomly. Always connect your PlayStation 5 directly to a wall socket. Avoid extension boards. Avoid cheap power strips. If possible, use a voltage stabilizer or uninterruptible power supply. This protects the system from sudden voltage drops. Now let us discuss storage issues. If your internal storage is almost full, the system struggles to manage data. This causes crashes during gameplay. Fixing console crashes is easy. First, ensure you have 100 GB of free space. If you use an external drive, disconnect it and test the game on internal storage. Next, lower your graphics settings. Switch from performance to resolution mode and turn off ray tracing. Resetting system settings without deleting data can also fix hidden conflicts. Finally, unstable Wi-Fi causes crashes. Switch to a wired connection or use the 5 GHz band. And always check for game updates. Fix PS5 crashing permanently. First, keep auto updates enabled in settings. Go to Settings, Saved Data, and ensure auto install is on. Next, clear the cache. Turn off the console, unplug it for 5 minutes, then restart. This fixes most issues. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset via the system software settings. Still crashing? It might be hardware. Contact PlayStation support immediately. Like and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real tech solutions. Thanks for watching.